Good morning everyone! Today I would like to talk about a motor which represents the evolution of a historical operator, the RI6C, that since 2007 has represented one of the best-seller products of the BENINCA range. Today this is important heredity has been carried forward by the Bullet OM, a motor in oil bath used for sliding gates up to 800 kg. The oil lubrication allows to reduce the mechanical wear of the components, ensuring a longer life of the motor and the regular functioning of it even at low temperatures, thanks to the special type of oil used. The fastening screws of the carter are made of stainless steel to prevent the rust. Carrying on, we can see the metal release, which guarantees better performances in the cold weather. Always speaking of use in harsh weather conditions, it should be emphasized that the Bullet OM is available in two versions, one provided with mechanical limit switches and one provided with magnetic limit switches, particularly suitable for cold and snowy environments. First of all, I'd like to talk about the foundation plate of which is equipped the Bullet tree. Thinking, for example, about installation sites in which the concrete casting is irregular and not flat, the Bullet tree allows to make the installation easier thanks to the possibility to adjust the motor height. Another important advantage is the possibility to install the motor lifted up from the ground, protecting it from harsh weather conditions as rain, snow, ice, and so on. The Bullet tree foundation plate is provided as standard for all BENINCA sliding gate motors up to 800 kg. The control unit has a double protection against external agent. The first protection is guaranteed by the motor cover, and an additional protection is provided by the control unit box. These two protections prevent that the control unit is damaged because of the rain or insects. Furthermore, the encoder guarantees the anti-crashing function and a greater precision during the gate operating phases. All this translates, as you can see, into an advanced slowdown management, both in opening and closing phase. Getting into details, we can see that the control panel is provided with a LCD screen and a built-in radio receiver that allows the management of two different types of encoding, programmable code and rolling code. As per all the other advanced BENINCA control panels, CP Bullet OM has the auto-set functions, which simplifies the installation phases. Other features on which I would like to dwell are the two separated photocells inputs, one for the opening phase and the other one for the closing phase, the torque adjustment and the electronic braking. Even the CP Bullet OM is advantage ready, so it is possible to manage lists of transmitters, configure parameters and logic functions, and upgrade the control panel software by means of the advantage. It is possible to get more details on this topic by visiting our website www.beninca.com. That's all for today, I'll see you next time.